Hey guys, Fiox here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can have a custom home page for your Mastodon instance. So you see, I need to have this other domain to like access the entire thing, which is kind of annoying since some instances don't really support the web fingers thingy. So if you would go to hostnetwork.xyz, which is like the root of my instance, you would see that it's the custom website, but if you go to add Fox, you would come to my instance, to like my profile on my instance. And well, the way you can do it is, okay, so this assumes you already have a Mastodon behind a proxy, and this is basically another proxy on top of that. And yeah, basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the location that's like some variable thing, and then you can just write down all the API proxy in there and route it like over here. So if you basically just put this config in there and you have example this very cool website, and you see we have like these links here, and it doesn't show you the deck because you need to be registered, but like see it now, it says home. You can perfectly log in. Just a reminder, if you're trying to do this, you need to set the domain into your alternative domain configuration option thingy. So as you can now like just log in with your username and it's gonna put you here, but then you can click on deck, and if you have it configured, it will eventually load. And now you're here on your entire deck thing. You can like scroll here through. You can like post stuff, and yeah, it works. But note, if you are gonna do this, you're going to need to up your max client body size, because the first time I did this, I didn't do it, and then for some reason I couldn't upload pictures, which is weird. But yeah, this was like my tutorial thingy. I'll upload this stuff to my Git server, and then I'll just link it in the description below. Thanks for watching something. Like and subscribe, please. I want to have more subscribers. Yeah, more subscribers, please. Yeah. And yeah, I don't know. Have fun with this or some shit.